So good.
That's a wrap. That was so
Hi everyone. It's Madness Monday Rite Aid. We're gonna go get some great deals. Some of the mascaras and eyeshadows this week are on sale for $5.99. Makeup. Let's talk a little makeup. Hey guys, welcome to this week's WTF. Welcome to Hot or Not Thursday, where I review a product. I tell you if it's good, if it's bad. These are the best of the best of the best. Here we are again, Makeup Graveyard. It has happened once more. We're on our way to YouTube Space LA, and then I hop on a plane to New York because I'm shooting with Allure magazine, which is like amazing. It was fun to get dressed up and shoot and feel like a model. When you go through everything kind of being taken from you, the beautiful thing is you do see what really matters.
I'm so grateful for the love that I feel when I look around and I speak to all of you, and this is why I have stayed making videos for 9 years, because you guys matter to me so much.
And here we are 12 years later, literally to the day I uploaded my very first video on my channel 12 years ago. It has got me all sorts of emotional. It's blowing my mind. I am so humbled by looking back to the very, very, very beginning of all of this and just kind of remembering my mindset and thinking about why I ever even started my channel, why I wanted to do YouTube. And I just want to ask, like the first thing I want to ask, have any of you been with me from the very, very beginning? Please leave me those comments. I feel in a way like I have matured into a woman on YouTube because I look back to those initial videos and I'm like, oh, my gosh, you are so young and innocent. I was so unsure of myself, and I have definitely grown and evolved, and I'm grateful for every little bit of it that has brought me to the woman that I am now, much different than when I started out. And that was not the ambition. The ambition was just to play with makeup, meet fellow makeup lovers, build a little community. I never imagined that it would turn into this, like this is something like you can dream, but then there's this, and it's like a whole different thing where I've had some of the coolest experiences through my job. and I feel really blessed. I wanted to do a thank you video and ask you guys, which wait. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. Some of you guys are gonna see this title and like the montage in the beginning and the look back, and I just wanted something to remember this day and to be like, yes, I almost left YouTube permanently. Like I almost was like goodbye forever, and I'm so grateful that I came back. I'm so grateful that you guys still watch my videos, even if it's like a smaller slice of the pie. Like, oh my gosh, yes, I'm still so grateful for what I have. When I first came back to YouTube, it was like, we're back in it, 1 million views of video. And then it was like, YouTube did this weird thing where the beauty community kind of the more TikTok and Instagram and the more scroll through shorts option, short attention span nation that we are in right now, which is not my thing. It's just not my thing. Do you think I could make videos in 2 minutes? I don't see that in my future for me. Anyway, where I've arrived to right now is this space where I actually want to lean in a little bit more. I've done that in the past. I've done 5 videos a week, and get that out of your head. We are not going back to 5 videos a week. That was the craziest, 5 years of my life? 5 years of my life. I did not sleep. Oh my gosh, how? I ran fast once before. I'd say I'm now at like a nice Prancer size jog, and I'm ready to add one more. But I want to know what you want to see more of, so please, in the comments below, I'm throwing it to you guys. Please tell me what you want to see the most. If you could have one more video on my channel per week, would it be an interactive live? Which is kind of what I'm leaning toward, with like a chat section, and we can all chat, and maybe I'll get ready. Maybe we'll watch a movie together. Maybe we'll shop online together. Maybe we'll just do something fully interactive. I don't know, but I want to take my channel kind of back to that feeling of the beginning, and I've been racking my brain like, how do I make this feel more like a community and not just like, hey guys, I posted whatever. So I am open to the idea of building out like a live once a week where we set a time and everyone can like come on in. And what day, if I did a live, would you guys vote for? I'm thinking weekend or Friday, something like that. Or should I go full podcast? Would you guys prefer that? Or is there another series that I should bring back? You know, I used to have so much fun doing WTF or Love 'em or Leave 'em or these one product reviews, full day wear tests. Just let me know. I'm going to be reading every single comment of this video. I'm going to really fine tooth comb it. And I just want to get back in tune with you guys moving forward, because I'm not going anywhere. You know, times are changing, content availability is changing, attention spans are changing, and I was getting really panicked about it for a minute. I'm like, gosh, like people don't like this anymore. But yes, they do. I always told myself that even if I only had 100 people watching my channel, I'd still make videos. Like I started this channel for the love of makeup and wanting to connect with other makeup lovers. And my early videos are so embarrassing and cringy, but I was having a good time. I was learning about myself. I was learning how to edit, how to be in front of a camera, how to work out lighting, how to actually review products and create structure there. And I remember in the beginning, one of the things that I did to grow my channel and to like create community was every person that subscribed, I would go and visit their channel and I would leave a comment. It was more like MySpace back in the day, but I would leave a comment on their channel thanking them. And I always wanted to be that person, which this sounds so ridiculous. Like I was joking around with James about this, that I'm like, I want people to be seen and heard and like they matter and I appreciate them. And I want to be like a for the people channel, and I want to just have a community. And in the beginning, it really felt like that, and I've missed that. So let me know if you have ideas for how we can create that feeling back here on my channel without getting too into this like quick bites, like we have no attention span. As enticing as like the scroll through content can be, you don't connect. and I want to connect. So let me know. And also, I'm curious. This is just like a selfish curiosity. What was your favorite video that I've made? Like, do you have a moment that stands out? I have so many. I think James throwing a bucket of water on me to test the waterproof buxom liner is like a standout one. Whenever I think of like a goofy moment, of course, like the big hero moments from like Tati Beauty to my wedding. But then there are these other like moments where, you know, that first WTF, oh my gosh, I didn't know that would turn into a series. It turned into a thing. All the collaborations that I did doing my big studio, that was like a big dream come true. You guys have just been with me for so many amazing, amazing moments. I just want to wrap my arms around you guys and say thank you again for 12 great years. Some were more magical and easygoing, and others had some big lessons, but I'm so happy to have shared so much of my life with you guys. And I hope you're having an amazing day, whatever you are doing. I love you so much. Go have a good one, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.